Good day, everybody. On this video I'm going to be teaching you about market structure. Now if I open my chart, you'll see that the market is moving on a structural level. Now what do I mean by structure? Now I'm on 1 hour charts, H1. If you check the market very well, you'll see that the market is moving, is maintaining a structure, which the market went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. Now I'm expecting the market to get to a certain point, probably here, then come down again. If I show you very well, if I should draw it very well, you see that the market is going something like this, a structure. So the market is following a particular structure. So that is what I mean by market structure. So this upper part is called resistance. Now something is resisting the market. Look at whenever the market reaches somewhere here, there's always a reversal. There is always a reversal, always a reversal, always a reversal. Look, check out this size too. I didn't draw it well. I will teach you how to draw it properly with a good line. Okay, but there is always a reversal at those points. We call it support and resistance. Now I'm going to back test. I'm going to show you something. You notice something here. Look at along this line, market always reverse. Along this line, market always reverse. Look at it. There's a reversal here, there's a reversal here, there's a reversal here to the upward side. Look at market reverse on this side. Came down, reverses, came down, reverses. Are you seeing it? So you have to start identifying this reversal and where the market always reverse, which we call support and resistance. So the upper side, the upper line is called a resistance. Something is resisting it from breaking that point, and the downward part is called support level. Something is supporting it not to go below that point. So you need to start identifying this support and resistance. Now let me show you another structure. Now look at this point here. If you notice that the market is moving on a structural way, look at it now. Look, the market went up, came down, went up, came to that same point, went up again, came to that same point. Then after a breakout, the market started forming another structure. Are you seeing it? Now let's back test again. Let's still go back and see. Look at this point again. Look at this point. The market is moving on a straight structural line. Look at this point. If I should draw this line now, you will notice that the market always revolves around inside these two lines. This support and resistance line. The market always moves on this support and resistance line. Don't mind that noise. Let me back test it again. Let me show you. Look at this point. Take a good look at it. Look at this point. Are you seeing it? The market moves in that direction. Are you seeing it? The market is just revolving around that until there is a breakout around this point here, before the market starts another structure. Let me show you again. The market moves in structure. Look at this point here. Don't mind my drawing. I'll teach you how to draw it properly. Okay, look at these 2 points. Are you seeing these 2 points? The market moves around inside the points. Are you seeing it? The market moves on a structural way. If I should go back again, if I should go back a little, look at this point here. Look at this point here. Look at this point here. The market moves around this point for a period of time. You noticed it. Watch. There is a support level here, a resistance level there, and there is a support level at this point here. Look at the support level. Market always reverses at this point. There is also another support level here where market always reverses. Look at the points. Look at the points. Look at these points. So you have to take note of these points. Market always make a U-turn at some points, so you need to know those points. So this is the beginning of structure, though. We are going to do more on structure. So look at this point now. Look at this point. Look at this point. So if you want to trade, you first of all draw your support and resistance. Look at Imagine I draw the support and resistance. Probably the market have not reached all these parts yet. I only draw it from year to year. Okay, let me just clean. I draw it from year to year because I've seen it that it's going that way. I draw it down to this point, but I don't know what is happening around here, you know. Now, but within me, my heart, I will know that if the market touches this point, it's gonna go up, come down, up, come down. I've already known. So I'll be taking advantage of the market. I'll just be milking the market, be collecting money. Okay. Now I believe with this support and resistance, your trading should change. Your trading analysis, everything should change. You don't just trade like a novice anymore, because you look at some points. Look at this point here, look at this point here, look at this point here, look at this point here. Are you seeing it? The market always move, touches that point. Look at this point here. So I know that within this peak, within these levels, markets, I'll be milking the market within these levels. I'll be collecting profits, up down, up down. Okay, look at this point here, look at this point here. Let me zoom. Look at this point here. Look at what the market did here. The market maintained the structure within this place. Up, we're just going up. Are you seeing it? Look at this point here now, the left hand side. Are you seeing that the market was coming down? It moves on structures. The market always moves in structures. Always move in structure. Look at structures. Look at structures. Are you not surprised the market always moves in structures? The market doesn't move without structure. Look at it now. Look, up, down, up, down, up, down. Always move in structures. Always move in structures. So if you know these structures, is a killer. Is a killer. Is a killer. If you know these structures, is a killer. Look at this point here. Look at this point. Look at this one too. Are you seeing it? The market always move in structures. Let me show you. I'm just back testing it. Look at structures. Look at structures. Look at structures. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Now, the market was moving on this structure before. What happened? There was a breakout outside this structure. After a breakout, what happened? The market will be going to that direction, which is that upward direction. That's what happened here. Okay, let me show you another one again. Okay, are you seeing this one? Are you seeing this one? Look at this breakout. The market was moving like this. It was moving like a triangle somehow. What happened? There was a breakout around this point. Look at the breakout outside the structure. What happened? The market started going up. Are you seeing it? Look at this point here. Look at this point here. Sorry. Are you seeing that the market always move in that direction structure? It always move up, down, until there was what? A breakout at the top here. The market started moving to the upward direction and started forming another structure. Look at the second structure it started forming. Look at. Then what happened again? A breakout again. Are you saying this are money? If you know this thing, you have gotten money because you know that you don't. Now people are saying you can't predict the market. Yes, you can't predict the market, but with this structure now, I can predict the market. With this structure, I can predict the market. I don't need to know the future of the market, but I always know that whenever there is a structure, there must be a breakout. So I'll be trading the structure until I see a breakout. Then I'll start trading the breakout. Look at this structure here. Look at here. Look at here. When you are trading this, you should know that for every up, you must see a little pullback. It will go up again, a little pullback. It will go up, but it's on an upward trend already. But you must recognize those pullbacks. You must know that you are moving on a structural way. So this thing is like magic. It works like magic. I might say, okay, now I want to be giving you signals. I'll be giving you signals. You'll be making money. I'll say, okay, buy this market. It's a buying trend. Buy this market. Okay, look at your take profits here. All I'm doing is structure. I'll go and identify the structure, book my profit points. I know that it must hit that point. I will now give it to people and they'll pay me for it. I have a signal group whereby you don't need to stress, you don't need to do anything. I'll just give you, okay, buy this market or sell this market, put your take profit here, put your stop loss here. You just do it, you make money like that. But I need to teach people this thing. They really need to know this thing. Everybody need to be financially free. No, we'll do more structures. I will take my time. I will identify structures. You too, you take your time. You identify structure. You will now
send me a message with a screenshot, then why is it like this, why is it not like this? I want you to do mistake, I want you to make mistakes so that we can correct it. That's how you learn. Okay, so now if you want to draw it with your own screen, I'm using an application to record this video, so it enables me to draw my structure with anyhow I want it, but there's a way you can draw it from your own end. Okay, now how do you draw it? You tap your screen, you click on this shape here. Once you click on it, now this is the one I am using to draw this the what's called trend line. So if I want to draw a trend line, I'll click on this one. Once I click on it like this, watch, I'll just tap my screen and hold, then drag it. Then drag it. Are you seeing it? Then I can position it, then I'll just tap on it. It will be stable there. I can tap again, click to put another one, click the same thing again. I'll just put it like this. Are you seeing it? It's on your MT5. Are you seeing it? Now with this, now you can draw your own structure. Are you seeing it? Now you'll say, okay, how do I draw a horizontal line? I've taught you how to draw a horizontal line. Like here now, I'm seeing an horizontal. I'm seeing a okay, watch. I'll put that horizontal line here. Sorry, I didn't show you how I did that. Let me tap my screen. I'll click on the structure here. Once I click on the structure, I'm going to click on this horizontal one here. Okay, once I click on the horizontal one, I'll just tap my screen to appear, then I'll drag it. I'll click and hold it and drag it to any point I want. Now where is my reversal point? Look at my reversal point here. Why did I take that as my reversal point? Look at this point here. There's a pullback at this point. Look at the pullback. Look at this point. There's a pullback here. There's a pullback here. So I take that as my pullback point. Look at it. Market always pullback. Are you seeing it? Before there was a breakout here. Look at the breakout at this point. But that is my reversal point. So that is where my resistance will be. Now if I want to put a support level, look, I'll tap my screen. I'll click on that shape. I'll click on that horizontal again. Then I'll put my support level at this point here. Somewhere here. Why did I take that as my support level? Look, there's always a pullback here towards this point. There's always a pullback. Even the market went below and touches that point and pull back again, went back up. Are you seeing it? So I take that as my support level. So with this support level now, I can say, okay, I can trade up, down, up. Then I saw a breakout. Then the thing came down, up, then down, then up again. Are you seeing it? So it's something that you can do. Everybody can do. You can milk the market with this. You can milk the market. So let me show you another one. Let me remove this support, these lines. Let me remove it so I can draw another fresh one. Okay, look at this line now. Look at this part here. If I want to draw my support and resistance, I'll draw on the horizontal. I'll take the horizontal, I'll put it here. I'll click again, take another horizontal, I'll put it at the base, at the bottom. I've drawn my support and resistance. I know within this point, I'll be making profit. Within this point, I'll be making profit until I see a breakout. I don't want to make this video long. I'll take my time and I'll do a video on structures again. So thank you for watching this video.